The refreshed Tesla Model 3 Highland looks minimal on the surface, but underneath it's packed with clever features most owners completely miss. From hidden safety tools to fun software tricks, there's a lot more going on than meets the eye. Hidden smart tricks. One of the coolest updates is the ambient light strip doubling as a blind spot warning. When you signal with a car nearby, it flashes red, giving you a subtle but effective safety alert without cluttering the screen. Tesla also hides practical features in plain sight. There's a manual emergency door release for both front and rear passengers, and you can even set a custom trunk opening height by holding the button after adjusting it manually. Small usability upgrades make a big difference too. Long pressing the scroll wheel opens a quick menu for adjusting key settings instantly, reducing the need to dig through menus while driving. Fun tech features. Tesla's software personality shines with updates like the CyberHog Pet Mode. You can display your pet's name along with cabin temperature, giving peace of mind to anyone passing by while your pet waits safely inside. Voice control is smarter than ever with Hey Grok, powered by XAI. It understands natural language better, so you can ask complex questions, control settings, or just have some fun with it. Sentry mode also gets a boost. You can now live stream all cameras from your phone and even speak through the car's external speaker remotely, turning your car into a high-tech security system. Specs and value. Beyond hidden features, the Model 3 remains strong on fundamentals. It offers up to 363 miles of range, a 0 to 60 time as quick as 2.9 seconds, and a premium cabin with dual screens and advanced infotainment. Inside, you'll find a 15.4-inch main display and a new rear screen for passengers, who can even interact with navigation independently. It's powered by AI-4 hardware and an AMD Ryzen chip for smooth performance. Pricing starts around $38,990 and goes up to about $56,630 for the performance model. With full self-driving now subscription-based, Tesla makes cutting-edge tech more accessible without a massive upfront cost. The Model 3 isn't just about driving, it's about discovering features over time. Which hidden trick surprised you the most? Drop your thoughts below and subscribe for more insider car content and smart ownership tips.